Have you ever wondered which AI image generator is truly the best right now? We've seen Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and of course DALL-E make headlines, but there's a new player that a lot of people are talking about, Seedream 4.0 by ByteDance. Yes, that's the same ByteDance that owns TikTok. And their new model is starting to raise eyebrows for being faster, cheaper, and in some cases better than its competitors, even compared to NanoBanana, which we covered in a previous video. There's definitely an AI revolution going on, and we're all a part of it. Hi, I'm Victor from Vidpros, and in today's video you'll learn everything you need to know about Seedream 4.0, the new AI tool that is being considered revolutionary. I'm going to take a deep dive into how it works, what the community thinks, real examples I've generated myself so I can show you that even tech grandpas like me can do it too, and how it stacks up against other image AI in terms of cost, quality, and speed. By the end, you'll know whether this is just hype or if Seedream is the next big thing in AI art. And who knows, maybe by next week we'll have a new one that is even better. Let's start with the basics. Seedream 4.0 is ByteDance's latest text-to-image model. Think of it as their answer to Midjourney or NanoBanana. What makes it stand out is that it's not just an artistic toy. ByteDance is positioning this as a production-ready tool. It's fast, it's affordable, and it's flexible across different styles. This isn't surprising considering ByteDance already had a massive global footprint with TikTok. If they nail AI creativity tools, they could integrate this tech into short-form content creation, advertising, or even direct user features inside TikTok itself. This could be the start of a whole new era for content creation. So how does Seedream 4.0 actually work? At a high level, it functions like other diffusion-based models. You type a prompt, it generates images, and you refine it until you're happy. But what sets it apart is efficiency. ByteDance has optimized the interference pipeline, meaning results come back in seconds, not minutes, and it's not just about speed, it's about ease of use. People are saying you don't need to be a prompt engineer to get good output. The model is trained to understand context better, which means fewer frustrating retries. Do you hear that, ChatGPT? Cool. And the cost structure is also competitive. According to early users, it is noticeably cheaper than alternatives, which could be a big deal if you're generating lots of assets for content or business use. Now, what's the buzz online? On Reddit, there's already a thread where people are calling it scary impressive. Some are blown away by the realism and versatility, but not everyone is convinced. A few users point out that AI models, Seedream included, still stumble when you give them very unusual requests. For example, generating a wine glass filled exactly to the top without spilling is something most AIs can't get right. So the verdict from the community? Promising, but not flawless, which is always the case with AI. As a society, we're still scared of it, let's be honest. And that's why I decided to run my own tests. Alright, let me show you what Seedream 4.0 can actually do. Let's see what it is all about. I tested it across 6 different categories to see how versatile it really is. Example 1. Portrait photography. Prompt: ultra-realistic portrait of a woman in natural sunlight, freckles, minimal makeup, cinematic depth of field. The result? Stunning. The skin texture looked almost like a professional DSLR shot. The lighting is soft and natural. This would be hard to tell apart from a real photo on Instagram. Example 2. Landscapes. Prompt: a mountain valley at sunrise with fog rolling through, painted in an oil painting style. Here, Seedream nailed both realism and painterly textures. The depth, the colors, the atmosphere, it felt like a digital painting you could hang on a wall. Example 3. Product shots. Prompt: a minimalist photo of a smartwatch on a marble table with dramatic shadows. This is where it gets interesting for businesses. The output looked like a legit marketing photo. Clean, sharp, usable for ads or e-commerce. Example 4. Fantasy and storytelling. Dragon made of glass flying through a stormy sky. Lightning reflected in its wings. Imaginative visuals you'd never get stock photos for. Seedream captured the drama, the reflections, the mood perfectly. Example 5. Stylized art. Prompt: children's book illustration of a friendly robot watering flowers in a garden. Switching gears, I tested a softer, illustrative style. The result was warm, colorful, and charming. Exactly the vibe of a kid's book. Example 6. Stress test. Prompt: a wine glass filled to the very top with red wine without spilling. Now this was a tough one, and while it wasn't flawless, Seedream actually got closer than most other tools I've tried. The surface tension of the liquid looked believable, which is rare. Overall, across all 6 categories, the main thing that stood out was speed. These images weren't just good, they were generated in seconds. That's a big advantage, even if you're experimenting or need content quickly. So how does Seedream compare to the competition? There's a great site called artificialanalysis.ai that ranks AI models based on quality, time, and price. If you look at the leaderboards, you'll see ByteDance's Seedream already climbing. The site even lets you pit models against each other with the same prompt and crowdsource votes on which outputs looks better. From what I've seen so far, Seedream tends to dominate in the speed and cost categories, while quality is competitive with Midjourney, Nanobanana, and DALL-E. That's why people are calling it one of the most balanced AI tools on the market right now. So what's my verdict on ByteDance Seedream 4.0? It's definitely one of the most exciting new players in the AI image space, and it starts at around only $10 a month. It's fast, it's affordable, and it's surprisingly good at handling both realistic and artistic prompts. Is it perfect? No. Like all AI, it still struggles with really specific or physics-heavy details, but for most creative work, it feels production ready and it can get you halfway there. And with ByteDance resources, I wouldn't be surprised if we started seeing this integrated into TikTok or other consumer-facing apps. TikTok can become way more than just an app you dance at. So if you've been on the fence about trying a new AI image generator, Seedream 4.0 is absolutely worth exploring. But if you love human creativity, here at Vidpros, we always want to make editing easier for you. So if you want professional editors and designers to take care of your content without the stress of doing it all yourself, there's only one valid option. Let Vidpros handle it. We're specialized in creating quality content that keeps your audience hooked, capture their hearts and loyalty. Your business will reach a whole new level. Schedule a free consultation today and see the difference for yourself. AI can be helpful, but our professional team can be much more. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AI generator you're currently using. And if you want me to do similar deep dives into AI video, music, or voice models, let me know. That might be our next video. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day. Bye!